Hey, it's your girl, Realtor Latoya D here, your favorite new construction specialist. Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and don't forget to turn on those notifications so you never miss a new home tour. And if you are looking for a new home, be sure to visit LatoyaDillard.com to browse homes that fit your style and your budget. Welcome to the Courtyards on Robinson Church, a beautifully designed 55 plus active lifestyle community in Harrisburg, North Carolina. If you've been looking for single level living without sacrificing luxury, space, or style, this may be exactly what you've been waiting for. Now, this boutique community will feature just 77 home sites, offering thoughtfully crafted rent-style homes ranging from 1,520 to nearly 3,000 square feet. Here you will find 2 to 4 bedrooms, 2 to 3 bathrooms, and 2 to 2.5 car garages. Pricing starting in the low 500,000s and moving into the mid 600,000s. And today, we're touring the beautifully decorated Promenade model. The Promenade offers open, light field design with a first floor owner suite, spacious kitchen with an island, and flexible spaces that can adapt to your lifestyle. So whether that's a den, guest room, or even an optional upstairs bonus suite. Ranch pricing for the Promenade starts at $569,900, but if you choose to add the upstairs bonus suite, pricing starts at $632,200. One of Epcon's signature features, and something buyers absolutely love, is the private garden courtyard. This outdoor living space becomes an extension of your home. So morning coffee, evening wine, hosting family and friends, or simply enjoying quiet moments with privacy. The HOA is $290 per month, which supports the maintenance and the future amenities planned for the community. Now, speaking of amenities, residents will enjoy a clubhouse with a fitness center, a sparkling pool, and scenic walking trails designed to keep you active and connected. This community was truly created for those who want to right size without compromise, to enjoy a lock and leave lifestyle while staying close to everything Harrisburg and the Charlotte area have to offer. So if you're relocating, retiring, or simply ready for your next chapter, the Courtyards on Robinson Church is absolutely worth exploring. So come explore this community and imagine what living well could look like for you. Because here, remember, you don't just downsize, you right size. And you will live well today, tomorrow, and for years to come. If you would like more information about this community or any other community in the area, give me a call. I would love the opportunity to earn your business. Hope you enjoy the rest of this tour. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop me a comment below and let me know what you think. As always, I will see you on the next home tour. Take care. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more home tours and real estate insights. And don't forget to enter our weekly giveaway.